If you ain't got the sauce,
Well,
just sit down.
first,
We got it from here, yo.
well, this is going for a good start. First voice, what'd you call it? Voiceover? Yeah. Anyway, oh lord, this gone too quick. I put Louise on, any shade you want, and then I'm using the Moroccan Spice palette from Rihanna, and I'm using, what shade am I using? Come and get it. Come and get it. I think that's what it's called, and I'm just blending it out. Funny story. I think this was done in February, and it's now September. So yeah, but just putting more on, blending it. But yeah, did the P. Louise over the eyes because that's what I prefer to do. Oh, other eye now, same shade, just blending. Yeah, I like to do my eyebrows first, but couldn't get in the camera for that. Blending. More blending. I hope this voice note is working because I don't know if you can hear me. Am I still blending? I think I put a little bit of a darker shade. In the corner I put a little bit of darker shade from the same palette. Hennessy. So yeah. And then now I'm doing what color is that? Marrakesh and Casablanca. I'm mixing two together and I put it just where you're seeing I'm putting it. And then any black eyeliner, it doesn't matter. Bada bing, bada boom. Doing all that jazz. I'm trying to get it as even as possible. But my dog in the background. Yep. Love the face I'm pulling, the concentration. Yep, because I'm not gifted firsthand, so we're gonna put some little concealer and do all that. Me checking if it's even. Keep going. Yup. My face. Oh lord. Why'd I put it on like that? I'm putting primer on, Too Faced primer. I like Too Faced brand on my skin because I'm combination, so awkward skin. For me, it's annoying, but hey ho. Putting all that in my faces. Then I'm using Too Faced Born This Way. I think it's the almond color. It's either almond or vanilla, because I can't remember what color I use. But those are my two shades because I'm hella pale, but I've got a yellow undertone. Thanks, Dad. So I'm doing all that jazz. Use a brush and use a sponge because I can do that for some reason. But I think the best foundation I've used for me so far. Blending. Yep, all over the face. Hide all the acne. Gone. Yep. Don't mess up the eyeliner. Yep. Down the neck. Because we don't want no line. Even though I probably still have a line, but hey ho. Blending. Spongy. Ooh, concealer. This is marshmallow because I like my concealer a little bit like Chapam, you know what I mean? So clearly all over the face, like no hiding that. So yeah, I use marshmallow from Too Faced Born This Way. Yup. And I think I'm gonna blend it now. Don't mess up the eyeliner. Blendy. Keep it going. Hide all the redness. Keep it going. Oh, now powders. I'm using Jeffree Star's, I think it's called Translucent. Honestly, it's the best for me anyway, because I get my skin. But clearly it's going all over the face again. So just doing all that jazz. Look like Casper the Ghost in a minute. Yup. That's not even an even line, but we'll go with it.
If you ain't got the sauce, sit down. We got it from here, yo. John, but they not ready. Kush gang, Kush gang. Look. I'm a rap till a old man. Me and hoes don't hold hands. Hand in my pants in the mouth of my dick when I slow down.
Yup. Clearly powdered too much in my face. Oh my god. Now wipe all that off. Yep. Straight away. Don't even let it sit for 2 minutes. I'm surprised I didn't have an asthma attack with all that powder. Oh, then I'm using a MAC powder, on like any face powder, because my shade changes all the time. And I'm just doing that clearly all over my face. Probably down my neck in a minute. Yep, there we go. I don't think I've actually done makeup since February, like since this. Oh, the same colours under the eyes. What colour is it? The Come and Get It under the eye. Yep, just pulling that face as well. Attractive. Yep, and then I'm putting the Hennessy one as well, right in the little corner. Yep, other eye, same thing, same jazz. Keep it going. I love how I'm doing this like I'm a makeup artist tutorial thing. Like, why am I so serious? Oh, there we get it with the contour. Honestly, any contour. Sometimes I actually use Rimmel because why not? Drugstore vibes works for me. I kind of like it light, but I don't as well. I have the palette, the Kat Von D one. People might hate on it, but that's money, so I'm obviously gonna use it. Yep, all over the damn face. I love how it looks like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. Yep, looks like I got punched inside the face, but hey ho. Powder, powder, powder. More powder. Or we gonna cut it. Same Jeffree Star one. Under the shizzle. Or blush. Basically, what is this? Lime Crime. It's like a little palette. I'll put it down underneath which one it is, because I don't have it right now. But this is how I do it. It's like a little pinky shade. It's actually an eyeshadow, but here we have it. Looking like I got sunburnt on the side of my faces. Keep going. A little bit on the nose, so it does look like a sunburn through makeup, because that's the look. Yep, just clearly putting it all over my face. Or wiping that off. Face. Highlighter. It's most likely Jeffree Star. Or Kiko. Is that how you say it? Kiko? I can't remember the shades right now, but I'll put it down below in the engine. I'm clearly just putting it all over my face. Yep. Yep. Keep it going. In the inner corners of the eyes. Yes, a little heart stamp because I'm not that gifted in drawing it. You know, mascara. Oh, attractive angle. You can see all my piercings up my nose. Metal gang gang. Oh God. I use two mascaras. Is Too Faced better than, what is it? Better than Sex? Because I just like the Vavavoom. And then this one is from Kiko. I can't remember the name right now, but I put it down below. But I like how it spaced out my lashes because they're long and spider leggy. Oh yeah, and I just put it on the bottom one. Yup.
Sus. I'm a boss.
Oh my
Sus. Sus.
great angle.
Sus. I'm a T-Pain, the game hitting my flavor flame.
I ain't never done this. Come on. Oh, freckles! Literally, I put it on my finger because I've done many mistakes. So it looks too much, but I just put it on my finger. I do a few dots on my finger, then dot on my face. But it's literally just brown eyeliner. So, because you know, I wish I was that one that had freckles. But hey ho. And then I think it's Too Faced lip gloss. I'll put it. I think I'm done. There you go. Bada bang, bada boom. She thinks she's cute. Is she? I don't know.
Just sit down.
Thank you for
We
watching.
got it from here, yo. John, but they not ready. Coach gang. Coach gang.
Ooh. Yep.